and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you'll be updated on all my future content. So this video is going to focus on multi-digit subtraction that requires regrouping. Our model problem is 75,475 minus 48,907. I'm going to go through step by step how to solve that problem. And I probably will do at least a second example after this. So for multi-digit subtraction, I always say do all the regrouping before you subtract anything. If you start subtracting and you have to do regrouping along the way, it just makes it more confusing. So I'm going to look at the problem, and we regroup whenever there is a bottom digit bigger than the top digit. So that's what I'm looking for. And this is before I do any subtraction at all. So looking in the thousands place, 8 is bigger than 5. You cannot start out with 5 and take away 8, so we are going to need to regroup there. So we regroup by adding a 10 and taking away a 1. So the 5 is going to become a 15, and the 7 is going to become a 6. So we add a 10 to the digit that needs to be regrouped, and then we take away 1 from the digit to the left. Now looking in the hundreds place, need to clear my throat. Now looking in the hundreds place, 9 is bigger than 4. You cannot start out with 4 and take away 9. So we are going to add 10. That 4 is going to become a 14. And remember, and people a lot of times forget this step, you have to take away 1 from the digit to the left. So the digit to the left is a 15, so that 15 is now also going to become a 14. We add 10 and we take away 1. 7 minus 0, no regrouping is needed there. You can't start with 5 and take away 7, so we do need to regroup in the ones place. So we're going to add a 10, the 5 is going to become a 15, then the 7 in the tens place is going to become a 6. Alright, now I'm going to double check, make sure all of my top digits are equal to or bigger than all of my bottom digits. So 6 is bigger than 4, 14 is bigger than 8, 14 is bigger than 9, 6 is bigger than 0, 15 is bigger than 7. So we are able to regroup. We are able to subtract now. We did all our regrouping, and we are now ready to subtract. And when we subtract, we always start in the ones place. So 15 minus 7. 15 minus 7 equals 8. 6 minus 0 equals 6. 14 minus 9 equals 5. 14 minus 8 equals 6. 6 minus 4 equals 2. And we have our final answer. 75,475 minus 48,907 equals 26,058. All right, shout out to everybody tuning in. I am going to do one more example. I'm trying to do a screenshot here. I want to take a screenshot of the problem. There we go. All right, next example. $41,939 minus 39,000. Sorry about the interruption there. 750. Stream cut out for a second, but we're back. All right, so again, before I do any subtracting, I see if there's any digits that need to be regrouped, and we need to regroup whenever there is a bottom digit that is bigger than the top digit. So looking in the thousands place, you cannot start out with 1 and take away 9, so we're going to regroup there. The 1 becomes an 11. The 4 becomes a 3. When we regroup, we add 10, and then we take away 1 to the digit to the left. 9 minus 7, that's fine. We don't need to regroup there. In the tens place, you can't start out with 3 and take away 5, so there we do need to regroup. So the 3 is going to become a 13. The 9 is going to become an 8. Because again, we regroup by adding 10 and taking away 1. So now in the ones place, 9 is bigger than 0. Looks like we're ready. I'm double checking everything. 3 and 3 digits are equal, so we can subtract there. 11 is bigger than 9. We can subtract there. 8 is greater than 7. 13 is bigger than 5. 9 is bigger than 0. So all the digits are either greater than or equal. All the top digits are either greater than or equal to the bottom digits. So we are ready to subtract. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Please hit that like button. I appreciate you. All right, 9 minus 0 equals 9. 13 minus 5 equals 8. 8 minus 7 equals 1. 11 minus 9 equals 2. 3 minus 3 equals 0. It won't be wrong if we put a 0 in the 10,000s place, but we don't have to. We can just leave that blank. So we have our final answer. 41,939 minus 39,750 equals 2,189. All right, that is my video for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. And if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments, and I will do a future video on that skill. Oh, and before I sign off, I just want to remind everybody I have a student request video today. There's a student that mentioned a problem he was having difficulty with. I told him that I would review that problem on the day off. So later today, it's a math word problem. I'm going to be going live. It's probably going to be on a webcam live. So it won't be a faceless video like the ones I've been doing. So you will see me later today. I'm going to demonstrate that problem that some students are having difficulty with. All right, but thank you so much for tuning in. Again, leave a comment. Let me know if there's any problems that you want me to demonstrate in the future that you're having difficulty with. And until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri signing off.